This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Steve.Summerlin. Gorgeous. Immaculate 2-bedroom townhouse-style condo. Bright open floor plan includes gas fireplace and bonus room upstairs, perfect for office or playroom. 2 primary bedrooms, each with own bathroom. Includes fridge, stove, dishwasher, and washer and dryer. Private patio, great for entertaining. This one won't last. Sorry, no pets. Apply online. Please have copies of valid ID and last 3 pay stubs ready to upload. To apply, copy link retrent.com/listings/24B2F58B977C4305-84E33934B9F7F. For more information, review the details below or contact Steve.Summerlin at 757-420-0071.